Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the strut rod, and you can tell this goes up, but it in the winter, when I just got back, this is the winter, so when I was in a colder climate, it just did not want to go up. And if you look right here, you can see that it's leaking and it's not doing so well. So I figured these are the original to the car. This one also has the automatic or the power assist for it, so, and you can really tell how dirty and nasty it is. So we're gonna go and replace it. I was able to get replacements. Let's see, these things, and we'll see how they work. They were for a vehicle with the power assist. So the easiest thing to do is to remove the old ones. Let's remove the old ones. The old ones are really easy. If you notice right here, and they both have it, they have a little place. You can just take a little short flathead, and it should be able to just reach under there and pull that out a little bit to release the tension around that. Okay, and then if you're lucky, you should be able to pull it off. Oh shoot. Let's see, I might need two hands. Give me a sec. All right, and I pull that off, and then now you just pull it, and you should, and that came down, okay? Oh, that was my head. Ouch. So now we will try to put on the new ones, okay? Let me get the other half off. Put it in, just take the opening and the ball. You don't have to really do anything, just clip it. Pop, and then the other one, this side right here, rotate a little bit. I'm gonna rotate. Okay, there you go. Just pops right in, and we're good to go. And that works pretty good now. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the other side. Okay. The original ones were definitely left and right. They're separate. They're two different ones. But on the replacements, no. They're the same. So, oh yeah, I mean, it worked great. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Take it again, and thanks for watching the video. Take it easy. Bye now.